So here basically we are trying to do the sorting of a custom objects. Correct? So we already know that we use the tree set for the sorting purpose. But if there is a custom object like employee, how your Java will come to know how I need to sort it here? Are you getting my point? Based on which particular condition it will sort it. So there is only one key and there is only one. Here there is no key value, right? So if I will execute it here, Java application, correct? So, oh my God, there is a. Okay, so it is saying that you need to use either a comparable or like this. That's why we are getting an error because it is not able to identify in tree map, right? Are you getting my point? So there is a two ways to sort it. One is a comparable and one other is a comparator. Are you getting my point? Right? So if I will use it comparable, right? I am adding one more logic here only. Or first, let's say do the comparator. So in comparator, you can create a external class and override that comparator. Yeah, this method here, right? Class comparator. ठीक है? Got it? So what we will do? We will basically implement the comparator. Okay. And this comparator is specifically how you will compare and how you will sort it. These employee objects. So it will be a type of employee. Import. ठीक है? So it is always written the value is +1, 0 and -1, compare method. So if the, now you can provide when these objects are same or equal. Malab, there will not be any same. If I'm saying this IDs, let's say I am creating that if. So there is a two if conditions I'm adding it here. If, right, E1 dot get ID equal to E2 dot get ID, return 0. Correct? Else if means based on the ID I'm comparing. Are you getting my point? E1 dot get ID less than, right, E2 dot get ID, right, return 1. ठीक है? Else return -1. Everybody is clear? Correct? Yes or no? This comparator, now this logic we will use it when we do the sorting here. Everybody got it? Here I will create an object of this comparator. And I will pass as a constructor argument into a tree set. Everybody got it? Now also I will print here EMP set using the for dot for each. So how I will write it? E. E is reference to a E is reference to each object, each entry. Each entry means each employee object. Arrow, right? Then there is an implementation. So I am writing system dot dot out dot println. Here I will write some logic, or maybe I will write, let's say, E dot get ID, right, plus E dot get name. For each ID, we are just trying to print and see how it works, right? Everybody is with me so far? I hope so. In comparator, there is a compare to this compare method, and we have given this logic here. Correct? It always return only 3 value, -1, 1 and 0. Java application. So you see there is a James and Roy. Right? So it is ascending order and it is a descending order. Descending order. If you wanted to change into an ascending order, you can also just do here greater than. Are you getting my point? So let's try one more time. Now you see Roy and James. Ascending order. Everybody got it, right? Yes or no? Yes. Can we write some more comparator based on this condition? You can write a multiple different based on the names also. So E dot get name is equals E2 dot get names true or is 0. If E1 dot get names, right, greater than or maybe like this, you can just check it. So that condition comparing to any string. Right or wrong? Right? So like this, you can compare that name or maybe value or salary or whatever you wanted to sort it. right? Another way you can implement a comparable into this employee class can implement the comparable, right? Here you can, that is we will see later, not now, right? Another way to write it.